Hey YouTube, happy November 1st. So I wanted to do a quick video on live scan software. So the software I use is Clue software for live scan here in California. And what I wanted to talk about is how the billing happens. Last year I purchased the license for the software, and I was paying a monthly fee every month to keep the software up. That included maintenance and everything on the software, and so I decided I need to buy the software so I don't have to keep paying for the essentially I was paying for the software over a couple years. I could have bought the software outright, the perpetual license. So I decided to do that. I bought the software, and today I opened up my email and realized I had to pay the maintenance fee. So you have to pay the maintenance fee every year. And it's $480 for maintenance, which that covers software updates and help support whatever, which isn't a lot of money, because if you divide that by 12, not a lot of money. Okay, so that's a reasonable amount. I am in the service industry for computer software, point of sale computer software, so I understand it, and $480 is a drop in the bucket. Okay, because I charge somebody, a customer, I charge them $3,000 a year to maintain their software. Not just the software, it's the hardware too. So if something breaks, that's covered under maintenance if it's a normal wear and tear. But anyway, just want to share that that's not a huge dollar amount for software support. Obviously if you don't call, like I don't call, you're like thinking, yes, I'm wasting money, but you have to, you can't get around it. That's a requirement, so I have to pay it. So this month I'm going to be paying $500 with the other fees that I have to pay, and it caught me by surprise. I thought about it last month. I was like, oh yeah, that's going to be coming up, but I didn't know when, and just came up. So no big deal. Just have to pay that dollar amount. So I just wanted to share that. You just have to think about that if you're getting into live scan, or it's primarily electronic fingerprinting, and you're using a particular vendor. You need to get to know what kind of fees they're charging or what they will charge, so that you get the whole picture. Yes, I knew that whole picture when I purchased the software, because he told me every year I would have to pay that. But you have to either remember that, which I don't have a great memory, or you need to write it down. Put it on your calendar. Hey, I'm gonna have this fee come up. And what's interesting is I have all my fees are centered around this time and Christmas, because it's the end of the year. So you have to pay. You have to get all these things in for taxes and so forth, which isn't good for, Christmas gifts and that kind of thing. You're like, oh, now I'm spending all this money. I can't do Christmas or whatever. But you just have to be aware of where these bills fall, so that you can plan accordingly. Anyway, that's what I wanted to share. Sorry for the bumpy ride. I'm heading over to the college right now to look at their computer and hopefully fix their problem that's been happening. But I'm not going to do a video on that. just wanted to share that short thing about fees, and have a great day.